Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add your account to 1xBet. So it's really simple, and the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you've already logged into your 1xBet account. And now that you're here, you will just have to click your profile icon, which is right here, and then go ahead and look for account settings, which is right here. And you will just have to wait for it to load. And now that you're here, under your accounts section, you will see your active main account here, and if you would want to add your account, you will just have to click this, which is select currency. And now what you will have to do is select the type of account that you want to link. So it could be anything actually. So it really depends on you, but here's the list. So yeah, you just gotta choose from this list if you want. And after you've chosen your desired outcome, you will just have to click add. And yeah, that's basically just it. And if prompted, you will have to verify the account via OTP, email, or KYC documents. And once you're verified, the account will appear in your link account list. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.